any parcels, has he?
Yeah.
But Sheila and Derek's, look.
Where is it, Barney?
Barney's present.
Bloody good biscuit.
But he hasn't got anything, has he?
No.
You don't want to say this is Barney's present.
Oh.
Do you think we should finish it off one? You had enough, baby? Oh, I know why he's going mad. Mummy, finish it off. Here, look, know why? Yes, all right, because it's a cat. Look. Barn. Here, look. Look. Oh, wow.